Hello everybody, Spartan Motor Series here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a track like mine. Today I'm going to make the Spartan Motor Speedway road course. So the things you need is poster board. I found this at Meyer. Ruler, scissors, leather strips. You can find it at pretty much like any hardware store or Meyer, Walmart. Pencil, gray crayons. You might need some other colored crayons, like green and that stuff. So that on the road. Pencil, I already said that. Some cars on hand, and I don't have it here, but whiteout is something that you need for the lines, the pits. But yeah, I'll show you how to make this track. So first thing you want to do is lay a poster board out. I will do that right now off camera, and I'll show you. We got a poster unwrapped. And now what you want to do is grab some cars and try it. Like, this is going to be the front stretch for the road course. And yes, to make it the road course, the pole was 11 to 10. So right here, this is what the track is going to look like. So I'm going to make the big front stretch right here. It'll be pretty long. So yeah. For this front stretch, I'm going to put this weather strip onto the side. So let me just get it unboxed real quick, and I'm going to show you the finishing result. Yeah. So here we go. I got the black wall through. This is going to be like the front stretch. So they're going to come off of the turn right here, come straight down, and then go into the sharp turn, which is going to come right here, and go on back through there. So I'm going to try to make it to where they can go 3 wide right now. So let me get the cars. So here's the cars right now. So what you're going to try to do is line them up perfect. Let me get one more. Come on. There's Practice Lusky. Put it right on there. So the racing, they could go 3 wide. Because I'm going to put the leather strips right through here. So now I'm going to use the pencil. And pretty much just put it right behind that. Okay. So that's where the wall's gonna go. They can be racing through here. Really nice. So I'll show you the end result with the weather strips on there. I did say that there's gonna be a wall right there. Well, so the thing I was doing, I put the ruler on the extended line. It pretty much just drew a line through it. So then I know what to do when I put the weather strips on there. So yeah. Show you guys the end result. So there you see the next wall. And I left off this little section right here, just so when the cars are coming off, there's gonna be a turn right here. They're gonna come through, and they're gonna be able to turn into the pits. And then the pits are gonna be right through here. I still gotta make that, and it's gonna come out right here. But this is pretty much the whole front stretch of that. So that's pretty much what I made from right here to here. Still got that big track to go. And then I can start coloring it in. And there you have yourself a track, pretty much. What you want to do for the pits, like you see here, I have my Chase Elliott's lined up. So here's like the exit of the pit. Like this is the pit box right here. And then the walls are going to be through there. And you got to make sure that you have it like this. So this dude has room in the pits. And then this guy who's driving on through can't touch him. And still be able to run beside the wall but not on the wall. Because I don't like making these big, bulky, long, huge pits. Just if you have these 2 cars just going side by side. I mean, sometimes you can have the 3 cars pretty much like in real life. But it's really weird to have the pits the same exact size as the real track. So I'm going to put up the pit walls, and I'll touch back here in a second. Alright, so I got this pits now done. And these guys can pretty much just drive. Wait, that's not fully down. But yeah, after you're done, make sure to really pressure the walls down, so that they can stick. So in case you do like a big wreck and he goes right into it, it's really just pushing the track right there. So instead of having like heading on and then the track is coming up. And yes, you put it all the way to the end because they're gonna be coming in through here. And then use the pit, and then Brad Kozlowski try to go find his pit. So try to make sure that you can have 2 cars go side by side in here. And also, this thing gets really annoying. So cut it off if it gets too annoying. And yeah, just so now it looks like this, and still looks like it has a fresh roll. So yeah, this is all my supplies still here. Just set it off to the side. And now we're gonna first take this car track. That is like the straightaway all done. So now we're gonna have to add another piece right here, which is right here. I'm probably gonna put it like this, because this is gonna be a sharp turn. So it's going parallel, like so. I don't know, but we can still reuse some of this poster board for over there. So I'll switch back once I have these connected, and then I'll talk about the walls. So I connected the tracks, and this has color right here just because there's actually tape that will help you connect these tracks. So when they ride, so they're racing down here, they're gonna come and they're gonna make a big turn and head back up here. And the layout, it clearly shows that. So what we're gonna try to do with the weather strips is sort of get ready to make a little turn and try to make it really sharp. So I'll touch back when I get the outside wall somewhat done to show you how, pretty much, to tell you how, because I haven't really done a road course. So yeah, I'll probably do a follow-up for like an oval or something, how to make these tracks, because I'm not really knowing what I'm really doing too much right now with the road course. So yeah, I haven't talked to you guys for like 20 minutes, but I cut out the inside of the track. I got pretty much the whole thing done. I just have to color it, which will take a long time. But here's the sky view, what it looks like. And then here's the sketch. Looks pretty accurate. But I'll color the whole track, except for the whiteout and all that, and pick up that mess. And show you guys pretty much tomorrow what it looks like. But I use large gray crayons. Got them for like $5 off of Amazon. Like a pack of 12 in here. But really helpful. And see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys hanging. So I ended up finishing the whole entire track, coloring it. Got my start finish line. So what you do is I like to line up the cars like that in their own like little box. Well, I don't have the boxes there yet, but I imagine there's no boxes there. I try to put a car in there, and then I just line up. It's really hard to explain, but first I just do this, and color like a little line, and I'm gonna follow that line throughout the whole like pit area. And I just keep on like putting the back of the car. Bam. Bam. And I make my boxes really fast. So that's pretty much how you make a track. Now I'm gonna have to use the whiteout for that. And I was gonna do the whole item of bubble right here, but I'm not gonna do that, since I already really want to start my race right now because I'm running out of time. But yeah, I'm gonna do the whiteout. And there is what the lines look like. So that is how you make a Spartan Cup Series racetrack. That's what it looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.